Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. Today, this is a 2012 GLK350 4Matic. The 350 is a 3.5 liter V6, and 4Matic means it's all-wheel drive. It's a solid black with light tan interior. Has 18-inch wheels and light new Michelin tires. Very nice sporty styling. Body is in very nice condition. Interior is exceptional. Has steering wheel controls, also has tilt and telescopic steering. Power front seats with a 3-position memory on the driver's side. And the seats are heated. Has rain sensing windshield wipers, automatic climate control. On the inside, here's a look at the dash display. It's a factory navigation. And here's the backup camera. Nice wood grain trim. That's real wood. You've got power shade for the glass roof for the front and the back. And naturally the roof opens. Here's a look at the rear end. Dual exhaust. Nice chrome trim. This has the power tailgate option. I just pushed a button on the remote. And naturally the rear seats will fold down flat. Push the button again and it closes. Passenger side. Interior is exceptionally clean. There's the power seat. Very nice SUV, 2012 model at a very affordable price. Thanks for looking in, and we hope to hear from you soon.